David with Rapid Materials here. Today I want to talk to you about plumbing vent pipes. Now, a lot of people don't realize that a plumbing vent pipe is a critical part of your plumbing system. If you have a clogged vent pipe, your plumbing system can't operate properly. Toilets won't flush, sinks won't drain, and you can get backups of basically swamp gas inside your house. Pretty unpleasant. So one of the things that you can do to prevent that from happening is to put a protective cover on top of the vent pipe on your roof. Now, we have these really nice PVC plastic vent pipe covers. They're made by VentGuard. They go right down on top of your existing vent pipe, and they prevent leaves, vermin like squirrels and snakes and things like that from getting down inside your pipe. So let's go take a look and see how easy this thing is to install. Okay, folks. So once again, we're going to deal with a plumbing penetration. This is a vent pipe. This is a critical part of your plumbing system. Installation of the crown vent guard to keep things out of this pipe is really simple. Doesn't require any tools. It is available in black and white. We're using white because of the contrast, so it's a little bit easier to see what we're doing. I said no tools, but you might want to get some sandpaper and smooth that pipe down if it's been up here for a while, just to get any junk off of the edge. Don't use PVC cement. If you do, you'll never be able to get this off again, and you might need to get it off. So installation is as simple as clean that pipe up a little bit, set it in place. Oop. Push it down, and it is on there, and it's not coming off easily, but it will come off. Now, if you have a 3-inch pipe, this is a 4-inch, and this is made for a 4-inch. You can go to your home improvement store, Ace Hardware, Lowe's, whomever it may be, and buy a 4-inch to 3-inch reducer, and then you can mount it on a 3-inch pipe without any problem. So simple installation, takes just a few minutes. Be safe, and you'll end up with something that works good and takes care of your roof for years to come. Well, thanks for watching our video today. I hope it was informative and showed you a product that you can really use. For more information, visit rapidmaterials.com or check out our YouTube channel for more great videos.